Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this beautiful oversized king bedspread from Blythease. Now, this bedspread is a gorgeous upgrade to my prior comforter. One thing that was very important to me is that I wouldn't overheat with it on. I wanted something that was lightweight as I live in a warm climate, and I'm happy to report that I have found that this bedspread is exactly what I want. It is currently the middle of summer where I live, but this keeps me very comfortable. My bed is on legs, and the bedspread perfectly covers these sheets and the mattress. I love the trimmings and the quilted design. It gives almost a farmhouse look, but it is very understated. It fits right in with my bedroom. It comes with 2 pillow covers as well, giving you a complete matching set. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.